Today we are making a delicious and nutritious chickpea salad recipe for weight loss. Weight loss chickpea salad. Ingredients: 1 can chickpeas drained and rinsed. Half a cup diced cucumber. Half a cup diced bell peppers any color. A quarter cup diced celery. A quarter cup chopped fresh parsley. 2 cloves garlic minced. 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: combine chickpeas, cucumber, bell peppers, celery, and parsley in a bowl. Whisk lemon juice, garlic, cumin, salt, and pepper in a small bowl. Pour dressing over chickpea mixture and toss. Drizzle olive oil and mix well. Why this recipe supports weight loss: high protein and fiber from chickpeas. Low-calorie, nutrient-dense vegetables. 3 healthy fats from olive oil. For metabolism-boosting properties of cumin and lemon juice. Appetite suppression from fiber and protein. Nutrition facts. Per serving: calories 180 to 220. Protein 15 to 18 g. Fat 8 to 10 g. Saturated fat 1 g. Carbohydrates 20 to 25 g. Fiber 8 to 10 g. Sodium 150 to 200 milligrams. Tips for enhanced weight loss: use fresh herbs for maximum flavor. Add grilled chicken for extra protein. Serve as a snack or side dish. Incorporate into a balanced diet with regular exercise. Experiment with spices and herbs for varied flavors. Other weight loss-friendly chickpea salad variations: Mediterranean chickpea salad, add feta cheese, olives, and sun-dried tomatoes. Spicy chickpea salad, add diced jalapenos and cilantro. Indian-style chickpea salad, add chopped cilantro, mint, and lemon tahini dressing. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious weight loss chickpea salad.